winning number is 3071.
This is your brand new Mustang. Congratulations. Like, thoroughly deserved winner.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It, love it, and the family will enjoy it as well.
It's absolutely incredible, hugely grateful. I'm just really rapt that I got a ticket.
Yeah, we farm Ormondville, south of Waipakarau. So living where we do, we rely on services like we do here at local operation.
Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts, and you do an incredible job, sometimes possibly a thankless job, but we're always very grateful as rural people, so thank you very much.